Hagani ke jingrakie u National President ke NPP Conrad Sangma ubalong ru menteri rang ba kejela rangkat bu Presiden ke NPP Meghalaya ubak Presiden Jinsong ubalong ru sembut menteri rang ba kejela kila penher kalama jong keseng ba hagani ke jingrakie lepun ku buram ru ikinong yalam ibala seng ya ke NPP. Hagani ke jingrakie le dan lang UMP ke Raja Sabha Dr. WR Karluki ke menteri ke Sarkar jela ke bana keseng NPP CEM ke KHADC bat JHADC, MLA, KMDC, bekinong kitkam ke NPP. Ba lapan ipu ipiang yang kena kejeng rakyat di kejeng ruai bagi kejeng syat lagi kan hon beper. Habakran na kejeng yalang kumukongsan u Conrad Sangma ulong bagi NPP ka ngeit yang kikam ke babha, bat kesan pyrthei ke babha, bat an omla ban yai sya kejeng mut pesniu. Ulong bagi kejeng mut ke pesniu kan dalam tang sya kejeng jat ke imlang salang yaki beriau bat kejela. Mereka NPP kanget yang kikam ke babha, bat kesan pyrthei ke babha, bat kan menget setia ke jengmut ke basniu, bat ke politics ke basniu. Bat udah ongru bagi dan kiriu shimet ki kenhuan kiseng ki banget ban penyapat japra, bat ban penparia ya ke emlang salang.
One quality which I believe should be there in every leader, especially of the National People's Party. Yes, you have many qualities that a leader should have. But if there is one quality that I believe that in today's world, somewhere or the other it's going and it's not there, is humility. Please be humble. You are not in any great position that you should be proud of, that should make you think that you are the biggest leader in this world and nobody can touch you. No. Not at all. Not true. Humility will take you to places you can't imagine. For our indigenous rights, I have made this very clear. We stand for our indigenous rights. Whenever there is any issue that is going to affect our indigenous people, our tribal people, different minorities, religious minorities, the National People's Party should be the first to raise the voice. I've always asked our NPYF, I've always asked our women front, don't hesitate and don't shy away from questioning the government also. Yes, NPP leads this government, but as a party, you have a responsibility towards the state and the people. Because we don't believe, as I said, in divisive politics. We believe in unity. It is a unity between our people. It is a unity in our state that is going to make sure that we move forward. NPP believes in unifying. NPP does not believe in diversifying and dividing, does not believe in divisive politics and dividing people. We believe in uniting people. We believe in uniting our state. And that is the stand. What Dr. Karluki, our MP, has mentioned is absolutely true. Our leaders fought for our state. We had different communities, different cultures. Yet, at that point in time, we worked together to ensure that we got our state of Meghalaya. Where has that sentiment gone? How can we forget those sacrifices? Aren't we being unfair to our leaders, to our forefathers who fought for our state? By today trying to bring out small issues and trying to divide the community and the state. NPP will not accept this kind of divisive politics.
Ngin ya pelong ya kadega foundation di man kasmen bat ngin pendek ban pentikna bengin thapelong cucu kap khambet kap khambiak let's say nakaliang jo state level bentangi rai tang artebli jaka kawai hatura bat kawai sulong let's say next ngindia pendet ban pelong ro sejantia ban pelong ro sebhoi hakaba ngindia pelong hak takalenti bahkan long ro kum ka workshop kum ka seminar bagi pat ba kiskau thu ya ka jingmu ya ka nongrim jo ka parti NPP kole yepi sia jang ka session ka badengkong ka bangin pelong hangtei hakan new assembly building madobale next year our first session will be held at Maudiang Dam ya kata madobale ngaklem keren ya ka amau ya kepisah lai keren ki perlu profesional bale arta ais ngobale pitip lot dador sedong namala dia tho prestun bidong botok nangka manu banut basim ya ka isu ka bab judon banut menu ngano du aja lai ngawang pi tang supoi ka isu ka bingong kata ka isu border boundary dispute let's chathe sepok gati ngi khap rip ngan tamat pen baharom no du ciprista jol asam dan nata yadi syah ada dadi syah ngi ong tang kawe ki armut ki CM ha to por haga bakhadu ki ong ngila sim ya karai bat kata karai ramba ajong i golong status quo ki leader jogi soba komo pi wan nang no dikit district soba se dai lepet ya lepet kenang ba pindon ko confident wat ong bau Conrad u prestun u penbe lepet ya kini ki kamba ki kapsan nama don ki gong ni hale apor ni yele no banjon sepra lejon no syata nomor belai hana bakadeti mat ke parti NPP meloksu ngama ong bilong na bilongan samarwe kamlele namar deka NPP kabalai kane deka NPP kabapat keladur ya ka sor silong jongi borok kowe